gosh. Okay, this class will last in maybe an hour, and later will be continued by a discussion. First, I'm thanking everyone who already submit the video, and I like how you explained all the things. And last week we talked a lot about the definition of research, and then the differences between qualitative and quantitative, and we will go further with the kind of data in qualitative and in quantitative, and also later we will talk about we will focus on qualitative study and some examples of title that we can use later on our research. And I would invite everyone also to you may open your cam. Yeah, so this is actually an interactive class. Yeah, so I'm not going to talk to myself. You'll be free to turn on your cam. Yeah. This is our third meeting, and let me share my screen. You know that the goal of this study later, of this class later is to enable you to conduct a qualitative study. Yeah? Okay, let me start with the use of qualitative study, guys. Okay. So, qualitative research is mainly used to observe a problem when it is still unclear. Yeah. To observe the object. Yeah. So when you think that there is a keanehan, yeah, when there is a weird phenomena, then that's gonna be your place. Yeah, qualitative study will be the best. Yeah, when you only found that something remains unclear, or something remains strange for you. For example, when teachers already use so many games in class, but students are not engaged. Ya, guru tuh udah pakai macam-macam games di kelas, tapi siswanya nggak engaged. Nah, this is weird. This is strange. And you have to find out why. Okay. Right. So please kindly put that as a note ya. Teman-teman boleh mencatat ya. As usual, I will not repeat my explanation due to the time limitations. Yeah, so you have to put that into note. Yeah. So again, observe the object when there is a weird phenomenon. And then to understand the uniqueness of the object being observed, well, some phenomena which are not able to be understood by or done by people. Yeah, for example, why most of teachers have problems in conducting Zoom class, for example. Now you need to ask, yeah, you need to ask the teachers, because yeah, there must be a uniqueness observed, because this is not bukan zaman apa ya namanya ya. Technology is already in front of you, yeah, but when you found that teachers still have problems in conducting Zoom class, so there might be a problem here. So the best study type is qualitative research. Yeah. And then to understand process or social interaction. For example, how foreigners in Jogja interact to the local people. Yeah. Nah, so you want to know how American or Australians or British people, yeah, how they talk to local people. Nah, so this is the best study. Yeah. So you want to know how they manage the communication. And then to understand your students' feelings, for example, when you just apply project-based class. Nah, okay. Because when we use quantitative, we cannot um observe somebody's feeling. Nggak bisa. Yeah. So once again, perceptions, feelings are only found through qualitative. Yeah. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, and then to construct or find develop a theory. Ya. Kalau kalian mau mencetuskan sebuah teori, if you want to develop a theory, then qualitative studies the answer. Yeah. Only through qualitative you can develop a new theory, because you will interview people, you will conduct a deep study, yeah, and to examine the truth, yeah, from a certain information. So when you already found a particular knowledge from internet, but this still remains unsure, you are better to use qualitative study. And if you want to, for example, focus on a figure, yeah, expert, for example, or event, you can also jump into the field or go directly to the people. Yeah. Okay, up to this time, do you have any questions? So these are the use of qualitative research. Yeah. Okay, and in this semester later we will apply in class. Okay. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At least there are seven functions or 7 uses of qualitative study. Okay, and let me give you another example here. Somebody is going fishing here. Nah, so when you want to know why this guy is fishing, maybe you can find it easily using quantitative, yeah. Why? But for questions using how he feels and so on, you may not use quantitative, okay, because it is not restricted but limited, yeah. So maybe from this picture you can see, you can observe by your eyes, why is he fishing? Probably because okay, can somebody tell me why is this man fishing? What is about his condition? Can somebody tell me? Can somebody just turn on the cam and tell me why is this? What is the condition of this guy?
He's sick, sir.
He is sick. Okay, who is this talking?
It's all Saputra.
Alti. Okay, so this man is feeling unwell, yeah? What's happening to him, Mas Aldi?
Yeah. Um, I think he was in accident or he got a headache or something.
Okay, true, yeah. You can say that he's got an accident, okay, and he got a
Yes, sir.
headache, all right, and that's what you can find using quantitative. Yeah, that's just an example. Yeah, but using qualitative, you can ask deeper questions like uh how do you fish? How do you catch fish? Yeah, how do you do that out of your conditions? Okay, and what do you feel when you are going fishing after all this accident? Nah, okay, can you guys see the difference? Yeah, so because the instrument is different, yeah. For quantitative, you will use survey, you will use questionnaire that is limited to a particular question. Yeah, mostly what or why. But for qualitative, you can ask different type of questions. Okay, right. So I hope this illustration gives you better explanations, yeah, on what is the difference between the two. Okay, and then the variables. Okay, let us talk about variables. Okay, so in qualitative, this is more reciprocal, yeah, interactive. Let me give you an example, yeah. And the relationship between iklan or ads and the profit of a company. Of course, when you spend more cost, then there will be more selling. Kalau banyak iklan, banyak banyak biaya, ya pasti akan mendatangkan banyak keuntungan. Ya, banyak keuntungan juga akan membutuhkan banyak biaya. Oke, so this is an example, ya, muter gitu ya, reciprocal. But for quantitative, it is more like causal, yeah, dependent and independent variable, cause and effect. For example, the effect of games, yeah, which is independent variable on, yeah, the vocabulary development. So the cause here is independent, yeah. Please understand this very well, yeah. And the vocabulary development, this is dependent, ya, bergantung pada apa? Pada faktor yang ini gitu, variabel yang ini. Okay. So most of the time when we talk about cause and effect, we will use quantitative. Now, don't get surprised because in quantitative study, this has so many types of research. Ada quasi eksperimen, ada survei, ada ex post facto. Yeah. We will talk about that in the next semester. But in qualitative, yeah, since this is more interactive, yeah, you can go back and forth, ya. Maksudnya interaktif itu maju mundur gitu plotnya, ya. So this is more flexible, okay. Not talking about cause and effect, yeah, but more into how and what, ya. Seperti kemarin ya saya jelaskan ya. Pertanyaan mengapa, bagaimana, are often answered by qualitative. Okay. Now we talk about the generalization. Yeah. Whenever you do a quantitative study, yeah, since you have broader population, ya, karena kalian memiliki banyak populasi, the object of the study is broad enough. Nah, then there is a possibility to generalize. Bisa digeneralisasikan. Yeah. Let me give you an example. One study, ya. The problems, masalah yang dihadapi by English teachers in Jogja to conduct online class during COVID-19 times of pandemic. Nah, okay. Then later your conclusion is, yeah, the generalization. How we generalize? Yeah. How do we generalize? Can somebody tell me? How do we generalize? Yeah, since you have broader data, and then that's why when you have so many people, so many, maybe in Jogja we have 20,000 teachers, let's say, yeah. We of course should not give them questionnaire. That's why we need to have random, yeah, random sampling, yeah, random sampling. Okay. Nah, by doing so, by having so, then we can generalize the findings. Kita menganggap satu random sampling yang kita pilih secara random, ya, itu mewakili semuanya, maksudnya begitu. Ya. Jadi kita ambil 500 misalkan dari 10.000, ya, English teachers in Jogja, for example. Nah, so, but in our findings, later we can say blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, what about the results then? Now, for example, yeah, most of the English teachers, yeah, the English teachers in Jogja, yeah, didn't know how to use Zoom and Meet, for example. So we can use this word, yeah, most of. Nah, padahal, ya, meanwhile, we just distributed questionnaires to questionnaires to, let's say, 500 out of, let's say, for example, 500 teachers. But we generalize. Can you get my point, guys? Ini yang disebut dengan generalization in quantitative study. Is it understood? If you don't, you can raise your hand or you can interrupt me. Come on. So this is how quantitative study should like. Yeah. In qualitative study, we do not generalize data because the population is limited. Yeah, because we only have limited number or small number of objects. Okay. And meanwhile, yeah, we need to find out the uniqueness, yeah, the uniqueness of the object. Okay. So this is this becomes the main factor, yeah. The problem should be unique. That's why you can conduct a deep interview, yeah, with small number of teachers. For example, Yeah. Find out the uniqueness. Find the uniqueness. For example, teachers who don't own internet access at home and also high tech smartphone but can conduct online learning well. This is unique. Yeah, this is unique. Okay, I hope you can spot the difference. Okay, those who don't own internet access at home, yeah, but they can conduct online learning. Yeah. Okay, I hope you can see the difference. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, so whenever we want um, to go to qualitative study, then you need to make sure that there is a unique factor on your study. Yeah, that's why when later you make a proposal, then you come to me, you propose a title, for example, and there is no uniqueness inside your title or the problem that you propose, then I will probably request you to change the title until I can find it. Oh, ini unik. Gitu ya. Okay. Let me go ahead with the next thing, the value. Yeah. All right, guys. In qualitative study, yeah, sorry, this is in qualitative. Yeah. When you have when there are 10 researchers which observe the same object, there might be a possibility that they will have 10 different findings. Itu. Tapi kalau di kuantitatif, with the same instrument, 10 researchers, they might have the same results. Nah, ini uniknya di kualitatif. Ya. Suppose we work on the same project. Kita semuanya ya, 9 orang ini mengadakan penelitian kualitatif. Ya. Title-nya sama. Ya. Okay, let's say we want to know how. Yeah, how do these teachers conduct online learning? Ini nanti hasilnya bisa beda-beda. Nah, so that's why some people are into qualitative karena menarik gitu. Okay, and the result is not very common, not predictable. Oke, okay, ya. Nah, inilah uniknya qualitative study. Right? Okay, and then right, I'll give you time to have a look at this graph first. Yeah, I took it from a book by Professor Sugiono from UNY. He's one of the best research methodology lecturer on earth, I can say. Okay, and you can take a look at this graph. Yeah. So the source of problems can be empirical, can be theoretical. You can take it from these two sources. Yeah. Okay, and there must be a problem being proposed. Ada masalah dulu. Ya, ini untuk kuantitatif. Ya. Okay, and right. Well, we are not supposed to discuss this right now. Okay, but you can have it. You can read it first. Yeah. So basically, in quantitative, you need to have a strong theory. Yeah. Right. This is called previous studies. This is literature review. Okay, you can see my cursor. Yeah. And then from these theories and also the previous studies, then you propose a hypothesis. Nah, dicek. Makanya kalau kuantitatif itu fungsinya untuk mengecek hipotesa. But in qualitative, ya, itu untuk menemukan hipotesa, gitu ya. Oke. Di sini tidak ada hipotesa karena memang yang sedang dicari gitu. Ya. So please once again understand this well ya. Nah, hypothesis is praduga ya. It's a temporary theory, or let's say what is that? Idea, opinion, yeah, which is connected to variables. Yeah. Okay. All right. So for examples, the effect, I will use the same theory. The effect of games to develop students vocabulary mastery. Ya. Kita harus menemukan dulu teorinya. Hipotesanya adalah games bisa meningkatkan vocabulary. Nah, itu kita kunci dulu. Ya. Ini diajukan dulu. Ya. Ingat ya, penelitian itu bertujuan untuk menyelesaikan masalah. Research is used to solve problems. Ya. Berarti ada penyimpangan di sini. Ya. Ada penyimpangan di sini, makanya diteliti. Ya. Oke, nah ini kuantitatif. Then you will use instrument to gain data, ya, untuk menemukan apakah ada hasilnya dari penerapan games di kelas. Mengingat menurut hipotesa, menurut teori, ini menunjukkan seharusnya ada. Nah, ini kita cek, kita konfirmasi di sini. Nah, lalu hasilnya seperti apa? Nah, bisa menjadi ada efektivitas, bisa tidak ada efektivitas, kan begitu. Okay, I hope you can get my point, yeah. Right. And in qualitative, so basically you need to find out the potential or problem and the uniqueness that you would like to gain, yeah. And at the same time, you would like to propose literature review and also instrument, yeah. And then go to the object of the study and collect as many as data. Dengan apa? Dengan interview, dengan observasi, ya. And that will be analyzed, ya. And the data later will be validated, and from the valid data we can describe one by one and categorize the data. Nah, ini mungkin belum punya gambaran nih sampai sini ya. And later we will construct and connect the data. Later, yeah, we can have the findings, ya, or even we can develop the title. Jadi kalau di sini tuh biasanya ya penelitian kualitatif itu judulnya tuh di belakang gitu. Nah, right. Jadi judul-judul di awal itu biasanya hanya sebagai pemantik saja. Oke. Okay. Right. So guys, later we will have this slide, yeah. But you have any questions? Do you guys have any questions? Before we come to maybe the next session. Let me send you out this PowerPoint slide.